puppy.
How do you tell if a prawn is a male or a female? Welcome back to Old School. So my last couple Old Schools, I showed you how prawns transition from males into females.
Biglo yun.
What a prawn looks like and what it looks like after she's spawned out.
Biglo. Huwag ka na isisipod dito. Ayaw ka na.
Wala na.
Huwag ka isisis muna.
Hindi talaga brang init. Tiga mo na.
Ano? Queen.
Tiso pa.
Okay na.
Facts about space until the orbits overflow. Let's talk about DJ.
Si Tuan. Hindi ko kuha niya. Tulog na yung bata niya yun. Aha, baliw. Hindi ko gawa mo na ni. Okay, bye-bye guys. Tapos si Joaquin. Babay ka. Ayaw